Now in this video I'm going to be showing how I build the side windows that will be next to the door of my yurt. My mother's yoga teacher just bought a yurt, so I took the chance to visit her and to check out how it is, how it looks and how it's constructed and everything. It's super nice. Looks like this. So as you can see, like with the side windows, it gives an amazing like light and openness to the space, and that is why I decided to build these side panels. So enjoy the video. So here we have a finished window, and now I will show you the process how I made one. It's the first time I've ever built a window, so it's quite an interesting adventure, and now that I know what I'm doing, I can show you. So here we have the window. This is a double glazed glass window that I got out of a second-hand website. It's 60 centimeters wide and 133 centimeters tall. I first got the windows and then I started designing, and I got these two for 10 euros, so that's really cheap, and they are really heavy, and I just used this little IKEA card which you see there. Here we are with the frame. I decided to attach it with a piece of wood through here to here. One on the bottom side, which is going to be this, and two on the top side, because the top side is going to get more pressure. And I'm using this 12 millimeter like stick with a profile. It's like this ones you get with IKEA furniture usually. Put it in like this. So I have bought this special huge ass drill bit so I can easily get through. Okay. Now I'm going to measure where the middle plank, this support will come. So I'm going to put the window inside and mark it off. Now I will start on this part. This is a 1 centimeter thick like stick, and these are 10 centimeters wide planks. So I got these two sticks cut to size, so they're the same thickness as the planks, and now I will nail them in place. So keeping some distance here, because when you put it too close to here, you have the chance the wood will rip. Now I'm going to put these planks in here. And the first one, it's the most difficult one. I just attach them with nails. Now I'm going to attach this plank. It's going to be the bottom support for the window, and I will attach it in the same way as I did the bottom and the top. Now I will be putting the window holders up. So this is the side that will be on the outside, which means this side will be facing the window, which means that this side is the one that needs to be cut. After cutting them, I attach them with nails, and this is going to be the front side. So I'm putting it really flush to this, so I can later seal it, and the water of rain or whatever can just like flow off. And as you can see, the nails that I put in here are on the inside, so it's less of a water hazard. Now I need to do the outside first, and then put the window in here. Now it's time to install the window, which I think is one of the most satisfying parts of building this whole thing. They are pretty heavy. So, no. So this is the inside side, and then press it quite strongly, firmly against the window. The window's all in. And now just gonna sand this all even. Now as an extra reinforcement, I'm gonna put these huge screws like this to make it a little bit more sturdy. And now I'm going to impregnate the entire door with linseed oil. I'm going to put 2 layers on. This one needs to dry for like an hour or so. Then I'm going to wipe it all off, leave it for at least a day, and put the next layer on. And you can actually see the wood soaking it up. It's really nice. This window had now 2 layers of linseed oil. Just a little bit of a disclaimer that or warning that I forgot to say about before. So when you use linseed oil, that you really take care that you put the rags like folded out or you throw them away while they're wet in a container or anything, because the drying process creates heat, which might cause that it goes up in flames. So I use paper towels, but just put them in some water and like in a cup of dog food of my dog. Yes, and here I have a little cup of soapy water for my finger, some silicone, and now I'm going to seal the window. Just a close-up of what I did. So as you see, I really made sure this is the outside, that it's filled up the spaces, like here, in between here and the window, in between this one, the window. This one's quite far apart, which is because this piece of wood is slightly out of shape. So here it's flush again. Just up there it's a bit loose. There we go. So here. And I put a little bit of silicone on the nails as well, on the holes of the nails, so it's really like the danger points of where water can seep through. And afterwards I'm going to clean all this residue here off when it's dry. See, it's way easier.